Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video I'm going to take you guys through a productive week in my life as a uni student nurse edition. I have exactly 1 week until my final exam. For some context, this semester I am doing mental health. We have more than 30 PDFs to go through in a week, and yeah, I'm not sure how exactly I'm going to do that, but we'll see. I went to the mall and bought this book. This is my last semester's notebook, but it's a bit bigger. And this is one that I bought just now to take notes. I don't even have my own notes. So today I'm gonna take notes. Time is currently almost 9:30 and I am done with one PDF. And I've been sitting here since 5 or 5:30, and then I took a break to do my laundry. But to be fair, that one was a long PDF. This one has 50 slides in it and it's all about drugs. Yeah, this is what I have so far. And I'm tired now. I want to go to bed. I usually go to bed around 10. I tend to get sleepy early. Tomorrow I have a night duty from 9 p.m. to 8:30 in the morning. That means I would have to sleep all day because I need to stay awake all night tomorrow. I don't know how I'm gonna finish this. It's really stressing me out right now because I really don't know how I'm gonna do that. But at least I finished one PDF today. See you guys tomorrow. Today is Friday. I think I've mentioned before, but I have a night duty today. I'm gonna need to get some sleep. So I'm gonna study for a while and then I'm gonna go to bed just so I wouldn't fall asleep during my duty. To give you guys some context, I work at a hotel reception. What I do is check in people and then look at the security cameras. Nothing too serious, but the most important thing is I just need to stay awake. And I'm kind of scared that I would fall asleep because I usually don't really stay up late, or I'm really not a late night person, if it makes sense. Yeah, that's what's stressing me out, honestly. Last night I didn't really sleep well because I kept thinking, at the back of my mind, I kept thinking, what if I fall asleep at the reception tonight? That would be so bad. Time is currently 11 a.m. I think I'm gonna study for a few hours and then I'm gonna go to bed. Good morning, guys. Hi everyone. Time is almost 10 a.m. Today is Sunday and my exam's on Thursday. I basically have 4 days until my exam and I haven't really done much at all. This video is not becoming productive. I thought this was gonna be a productive study vlog, but it seems to be going in the other direction. Anyways, I really need to lock it in now before it's too late. I only have 3 good days left. I have to at least do 10 PDFs today because I've done none. I've done one, but so yeah, I think I'm gonna actually go to the library today because I don't know, I can't get anything done in my room. Today is Monday and today is officially the last class of the semester. So yeah, I'm going to uni right now and this is my outfit. I'm just wearing this sweater and then a jean. Underneath it, I'm wearing my pajama.
What are you talking about?
How do you feel about the exam?
Let's not talk about it. Or...
Let's do that. Are you ready for exam?
No, not after today.
I only bought this like 2-3 days ago and it's almost gone. Like, it's crazy. It's that good. So tomorrow is my final, and have I gone through all the 30 PDFs? No. We have 24 hours until my final exam. So my plan today is to finish up the important PDFs and then go through all the notes. Honestly, I have no idea how this exam is gonna go. I'm gonna finish my breakfast and then I'm gonna start studying. Hi guys, this is me editing, and I actually lost the footage of a few days and the day that I took the exam. So I'm filming the outro right now. On the day of the exam, I was obviously so nervous, and then after exam, I felt like I most definitely failed. But then I got my results back because it's been like a whole month, and yeah, I'm happy to say that I passed. Not only just passed, I really got good marks as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with how everything turned out because everything did not really go well during this vlog, or like it wasn't really as productive as I planned. But yeah, that's it for my today's video, and if you enjoy it, make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.